Hey everyone, SLIMEZILLA here. Let me fix it. But anyway, you all been patient. Well, wait, let me fix my mic real quick. Alright. You've been patient. Not all of you been patient. Because this is the first time I ever got someone requesting more of something. This is the first time it ever happened to me. And it's not the best feeling ever. So, but let's just get to it because you all been waiting 1 month. So let's just get to it. So previously, Papyrus was like summoned Sands with his soul or some crow like that. And I cannot wait to see what happens next. Let's see. Also, no fidget spinner, because the comments were just like, why fidget spinner? So, this time, no fidget spinner, everything's weird. Everything's not weird. And sorry how there's like a little bit of blackness above the webcam. I can't fix that. So, Mountain Dew for the win. I love Mountain Dew. But anyway, I can't get tired of those eyes. And also, if you didn't see, I made it the top, well, kind of top left, but you could see Flames at Games there. I just put that there just for some extra credit because he deserves it. And there's a lot of other Disbelief animations and things like that. Not sure if I'll react to those, because there's a lot of other things you all want. And if y'all ask why it takes so long, it's because I have a bad computer, and there's not really any good recorders, or it's gonna screen recorders, or it's gonna buffer. Anyway, let's get to where we left off. So previously, the good memories are fading away. No good memories. Let's get to this. That is a lot of attack. No. It's talking about me. I want to verify it. Whoa. How is that fair? Let's just say. No karma. I've grown a lot of backbone. Oh. This song's backbone. But this is easy. Oh, my turn. Sans' turn. Oh boy. What? Sans didn't get a chance to do shit. Okay, there we go. Oh, the Gaster Blaster. Had to talk with them about what they did. Oh, snap. They... What? Seriously? You fall asleep? Oh my god. Sans, why? You... Catch up. Yeah. I was hoping... playing with Phil. I guess you... Sans, you know... He's an arm merchant. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sans fell. Oh, okay. Yet more sins. Pun. You say the word pun out loud. Even after making one instead of price expression. Still smiling being lazy, just always winks. Oh my gosh. Please don't scare me like that. This is the only attack that can really defeat the Disbelief virus. You don't hate puns that much. Yeah, Sans got a lot of device. Hey, if you're looking for a fight with me, if you're lucky to, oh boy. The bad time's gonna come, oh boy. Oh man. He dodged all of it. But this is just his regular attacks, isn't it? Papyrus has got some new shit. Oh my god. Oh, they're both doubling up. What is this? Oh my gosh. Look, Sans is a quarter. Is this Pong? They're playing Pong. Oh yeah, Pong. Oh, Papyrus. Seriously. Disbelief, even if you just wanted to play Pong. Oh, wait. Oh, you have to like dodge the thing that hit. Oh, okay. Oh, there's two now. Oh. Oh boy, it's full. Yeah, that was pretty hard to dodge. You all tell me that this is animation, not gameplay. I know, I'm just... Okay. I consider this to be extremely unfair. He's like summoning bones and shit. Chill your spine, bro. Take this seriously, I'm totally serious. This is hilarious. Game over, okay. We need to fight the human, right? We do... Oh, your own decision. Yeah, you killed him billions of times. Killed by the human by now. Hey, actually, let me get this shot. Wait, what? Oh my god, it's Undyne. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. Okay. It's gonna do like 1 damage. Watch this. It's gonna do like 1 damage. I bet it's gonna do like 1. Great. Now you're screwed. That's pathetic. Okay. Oh my gosh. How you... The backwards are... I'm happy the Undyne fight ain't like this. There's bones as well. Oh oh boy. Oh. How did you... That's actually pretty impressive. Oh, Sand's turn again. Oh. Bad time, baby. Shit. You're actually dodging all this. It's real good. Well... What? No, PC cleaner. He held you down. Holy fuck. You couldn't move anywhere. He held you down. Holy shit. That's why he called determination. I really want to get it in. What? Yeah, you're just a... So... Oh, feels. They aren't real. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Couldn't stand the thought of killing it. I've been doing this for their sake. But they don't want to. So now you're not going to do it because this ain't what they want. Oh no! That... It's over. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, you're way different than Sans. Oh my gosh. You were so close, too. Please forgive me. Oh. God. It's over. This is not good. Uh-huh. Yeah, that smile shit. It only made it worse. Oh, I was right. And that's why... Yeah! Pirates, I don't think talking's gonna work though, but still. Yes! We need to know. It's time I understand myself. Yup. Mm-hmm. Squares. Yeah. Show them what the great papyrus can do. Oh, these are attacks from the regular thing, isn't it? They're attacks from the regular fight. Oh my god. Well, that's new. That's a car. Or some shit. I was about to make a bad joke there. But I decided not to. Whoa. Oh, 20 damage. Damn. Still pretty powerful. Oh boy. There's no big bone. Where the fuck's the big bone at? Whoa, this is epic, dude. This is Flames at Games. Go, link in the description. Subscribe to this dude. Holy crud. A little more than, yeah, they're not going to give up. But you go support Flames at Games. Go to his Patreon. Go to his Discord. Support him. Just do it. He needs it. The point of this is you need to give up. But they're not going to ever go and give up, are they? Restart this now, stop fighting. We can still have a good ending. There's no happy ending, they're going genocide. You're not going to stop, are you? All you need to do is spare... Oh no, he's going to give them a choice. Oh no. They're not. It's over. It's all over.